morning, everyone. We're going to start with Alive, Alert, Awake, Enthusiastic, the song that we learned on Friday. I hope you guys have been practicing. Rub your knees and let's go. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm alert, alive, awake. I'm alert, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Woo! Okay, the last time we did calendar was yesterday, which was?
Monday.
And then what day comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
I'm going to put Tuesday on. Okay, and we're going to sing the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday boo song. Are you guys ready? Rub your knees.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, boo! Thursday, Friday, you. Saturday, Sunday, la la la. The whole week's over, cha-cha-cha.
Good. And then we're going to take 4 off. Put your thinking cap on. What number comes after 4?
5.
5. So hold up one hand. We're going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to shoot me an air high five. Oh, I caught it. Well done.
Oh, good job.
Okay, what's the new month we're in?
May.
And we have a surprise for our year. Let's pull our surprise out. Oh, where did mine go? Here it is. 2020 vision. Today we are making binoculars, and you can use them at calendar time, and you can use them just now when you go outside to explore. What season are we in?
Autumn.
Autumn. And what's the weather again?
Sunny.
Sunny. Good. So today, children, we already went for a walk today, and we started exploring and seeing lots of cool stuff out on our little street close to where we live. We made binoculars, which you're going to make just now. And Teacher Chantal is out exploring and playing in her garden today also. So you're going to see just now what fun stuff we've done, and then you can join and you can do it later. Okay guys, we are making binoculars today with toilet rolls so that we can use them when we go out for our nature walks and in our garden to spot little critters and animals, and when we do our calendar time. So you're going to need 2 toilet rolls, and then you're going to staple the 2 toilet rolls together. If you don't have staples, you can use tape, but we're using a stapler. And then staple the other side. And then Kai's gonna staple his. Okay, so then you're gonna lay them down flat and you're gonna decorate them and you're gonna color them. You can use crayons, you can use cookies, you can use watercolor paint, whatever you have at home.
hope you are doing well and that you're having such an awesome time. Today we're going to do some nature experiences outside. which is going to be really cool. We're going to do some really fun things. So check it out. It's going to be awesome. So the first thing we're going to do is some weaving. So you're going to need 4 sticks. Then you're going to tie them together in a rectangle or square shape like this. And then you're going to tie your string all the way across in the middle, which is going to be really fun. And now we're going to go look in the garden for some plants, some leaves, some flowers, and some cool things that we can weave in through here. So let's go look for some stuff. Okay, so now I got all my little supplies out of the garden. I got some flowers, some leaves. It's going to be really cool. I'm going to weave it through. So let me first take this pretty little flower. Weave it through our strings. And there we go. That's what mine looks like. Really cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work with stones. So go look around your garden and see if you can find a bunch of stones, and we're going to make some shapes out of it. Here are my stones that I got, and now I'm going to make some shapes. So I'm going to start with a circle. A circle is round, hey? Let me make my circle. And there's my circle. Now I'm going to make a square. There's my square. It has 4 sides equal to each other. And the last shape I'm going to do is a triangle. And do a triangle which has 3 sides and 3 corners. So here are my 3 shapes. It's my circle, which is round. It has no corners. Round like a ball. And then I have a square which has 4 sides and 4 corners. And then here's a triangle like a pyramid which has 3 sides and 3 corners. So you can also try, go get rocks in your garden and try and see which shapes you know and that you can do. Hey everyone, you're going to need to be outside for this activity, and we're going to do shapes with nature. So this is what you're going to need: a piece of chalk, some twigs and long leaves that you can find in your garden. So what we are going to do first is we're going to draw 3 shapes with our chalk. So we're going to do a circle. I'm going to do mine over here. A square. And a triangle. So the circle is round and it has no sides and no corners. It's like a ball. And then our square has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to take our twigs and leaves and make shapes out of them on our chalk. So I'm going to use a twig there, maybe a leaf, triangle, my square. There's my square. And now my circle, I'm going to need to make it round. And there's my circle. So I've got a circle and a square and a triangle. So see which shapes you can do with your nature.
Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed exploring today and looking for lots of cool stuff outside. Please like, please subscribe, and please make sure you go find lots of cool stuff. Bye!
Bye!